Why do 100% of house mice have teeth that never stop growing? And why can a mouse fit through a hole smaller than your finger? Let's find out. Mice are the secret superheroes hiding in your house. Paws, squeak sound. They can survive anywhere, even outer space. Their teeth never stop growing, so they're always nibbling. Paws, chew sound. A single mom mouse? She can have 150 babies in a year. And they're smart, solving mazes and talking in sounds we can't even hear. But here's the wildest part. Want more animal secrets? Smash that like and follow for the next mind-blowing fact.